Oh! Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, no fucking way! No fucking way! Oh, you motherfucker!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No, not okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
No, I'm so sorry. I didn't see
this. He does not need this. Walk away.
Okay.
Walk away.
I didn't see him. I'm so sorry.
Walk away.
All right, so this is definitely an illegal turn. It's not something that should be happening. Obviously, this woman is 100% in the fault. 100% in the fault. And there's not much we could do. Good luck swerving. You know, good luck. This is part of it. This is part of riding. So right here, I want you guys to take a look at something. Okay, so we're going to get to that point. He's just wearing a shirt. He's just wearing a shirt. When it comes to riding, you need to wear full gear. Okay, so hopefully it's going to minimize and mitigate a lot of the problems. We saw that guy that crashed head on with that car and was completely out of it. And I told you about the mentation of what happens after a crash. And they typically, you know, are pissed. And this right here, he never went unconscious, and he's pissed and he's freaking out. That is the difference than the last guy where he wasn't. So there's a disconnect. His brain is not there on the last one. This guy's brain is still on.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I want you guys to see this too, okay? This is a full face helmet. This is a full face helmet. This is why you need to wear a helmet with a good retention system. He is up in the air. He is ejected. He is flying through the air right now, and he's going to hit the ground at some point. That helmet would have flown off. Who puts a helmet on like this and has their chin hanging out the bottom? Nobody. So his helmet wants to fly off based off of centrifugal forces, whatever it is, there's physics and everything. That's why people's shoes fly off after getting hit by something. This is why you need to have good, proper boots on. This is why you need to have good, proper gloves on. This is why you need to have your jacket zipped up. This is why you need to have your pants zipped up. This is why you need to have the retention system on your helmet actually on, or your helmet's going to fly off. So you might have survived, or the helmet might have stayed on when you hit something, but when you're flying through the air and all your gear flies off you before you hit the ground, you could hit your head on the ground and boom, you're dead right there. You might have survived the initial impact because of your helmet, but then the second one, nope, didn't. So this is why you guys need to wear your gear and then actually wear it appropriately.
Oh, fuck!
So there's the difference. There's the difference from the last guy and this guy.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, no fucking way! No fucking way! Oh, you motherfucker!
Are you okay? Are you okay?
So this is a typical reaction of somebody that hurts somebody else and they don't want to. And when I see this, it's like, I know she didn't want to hurt somebody. It's obvious. She's saying she didn't want to, but a lot of people get pissed. It's like, you know, screw her. She should, you know, this and this. She's going to have her own consequences. It's not my place to judge that. She's going to have her own consequences when it comes to the law. And then, you know, PTSD probably. She's going to have her own mental problems after this too. So I don't wish this person, I don't wish anybody to be in that situation. I don't wish anybody to be in this situation at all. Either or, the motorcycle rider or the car driver. The thing is, why is she yelling? I didn't.
Hey.
No, not okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh.
No, I'm so sorry. I didn't see this.
I didn't see him. I didn't see him. She really did not see him. And it's frustrating because you're laying on the ground, probably broken bones, probably having a hospital bill. All your stuff is demolished. a lot of pain, and what you hear is she didn't see me. It's very demoralizing. It's not a good situation. The thing is, we're sitting here not in this situation, so we can actually look at this from more of an analytical view. And what we have here is inattentional blindness. What we have here is motion-induced blindness. What we have here is she's paying attention to her phone. She's paying attention to this. She's paying attention to that. What she's not doing is paying attention for motorcycle riders. And that right there is a failure in education in the driver system. That is a failure in the education of what she received. I want to change that. I want to change that, not for her. I want to change it for you. And the thing is, we all have friends and family that don't ride. Tell your friends and family to look for motorcyclists. Show them this video. Show them this channel. And the thing is, hopefully they'll start looking for motorcyclists. The only time you started looking for motorcyclists is when you started riding. We can't get everybody to ride. We really can't. What we can hopefully do is get people to at least see this video, be scared by it, maybe start, watching these things and realizing this is the type of stuff we have to go through. We have to have a channel that focuses on how to mitigate, survive. We have training programs developed for many people to keep motorcyclists alive, and car drivers don't really do much. So at the end of the day, it's not really her fault. It's not his fault. In terms of, let me take that back. It is her fault. It's not anybody's responsibility except for her own. Okay, it's not her responsibility to keep us safe. It's not, the truck driver that's behind. It's not the guy or whoever's yelling at this lady to leave. It's our responsibility. And wear full gear, be situationally aware, practice your skills, rescue another rider if you can, so get some medical training, teach a mentor another training. Smart rider principles, guys. Smart rider principles. This situation, literally, I'm sorry to tell you, there's nothing we could have done.
Oh, shit.
Nothing you could have done. He says, oh, shit, and as soon as the T portion of shit comes out, he hits.
Oh, shit.
Nothing. Nothing you could have done. The only thing that I'd be concerned about is that person that's uncommon in a common situation. Why is that person on the side of the road? I get more paranoid when I see uncommon things in common situations. I just get paranoid. So that means I just kind of roll off the throttle until I know what's going to happen. Now that I saw this video, let's just say that if you're brand new to this, now that you saw this video, if you see somebody on the side of the road, are you going to be a little more paranoid? I hope so. I really hope so.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Sorry.
No.
I can't listen to it again. I'm sorry, guys. It's starting to trigger something.